That's what they told me the first time. Relax yourself. Okay. Yeah. He'll do it for you. Okay.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomi, and in today's vlog I'm going to be exploring the beautiful country of Benin Republic alongside my friends. We took a road trip from Lagos, Nigeria to Benin Republic, and after crossing the border, the first thing we did was to change our money from Naira to Cefas. Now this was going to be my first time in Benin, and it was so interesting to see how close Benin Republic is to Lagos, Nigeria. It's literally about 30 minutes from Badagry in Lagos, and we finally arrived at our apartment and we were pleasantly surprised. Morning world, it's day 2 and I'm just taking in the beauty and simplicity of our Benin Republic apartment. It's so spacious. I love large spaces and it is quite spacious. I also like the fact that it has a colorful dining set. I think it's cute. I like the colors, and it even has a balcony with a view of the hustle and bustle of the city. Ooh. So we are heading to our very first tourist location today, and it's the Temple of Pythons. This is like the #1 touristy thing to do in Benin Republic. I'm a bit nervous because I don't like snakes, but I'm gonna go get dressed. Hey guys, so today I'm headed to the Python Temple in Benin Republic, and I'm just wearing a basic t-shirt, these really cute shorts from the Top Doll that I really love, and this purse I got at the Ghana Art Market, and my shades. And I'm ready to head out now, so let me know what you think of my outfit. Hi guys, we're headed now to the Python Temple. I was so nervous on the way to the temple because I am genuinely very terrified of snakes, and I wasn't sure what to expect from this, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go and see watch others do it, and then I'll decide if I'm gonna do it. We arrived there and we saw that there's actually a church right opposite. This is us at the entrance to the temple. We walked in, paid, and were assigned this guy as our tour guide.
You are in a secret place that existed since 13th centuries. Like 2 scars on their foreheads, 2 on each temples, and 2 on each cheeks. And our farms against rats, mice, and That's the main reason why our ancestors here started worshiping them. This part,
Squeeze rats.
rat
Okay.
mice.
So what if they feel like we look like rats and they decide to spit?
They are excellent. Our Tangbe Dre is the name of the female python. So the first word Tangbe here means python, and the last Dre means what is long. The males are called the Tangbe Bong. Bong here means what is short. It is closed because today is not a market day.
Okay.
41 virgins.
He needs 41 virgins.
No, not for sacrifice. The girls will go and like fetch water. Don't go in. So when it comes to mistakes, they get purified in that. Can't get it.
You have more than 50 pythons.
I'm just gonna get.
Now, after all that briefing, it was finally time for us to either hold the snake or put it around our necks. I came along with a scarf just for extra protection.
Wearing this?
Because she's about to do this.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Wish her luck.
The tour guide also mentioned that it's compulsory for us to wash our hands with this bowl of water with a leaf in it for some sort of protection. And it was finally time to put the snake around my neck.
That's all the things relax yourself. Okay. What to expect?
Can I do this? Oh my god.
You can do it, trust me. You can do it. You can do it.
I will hold it first before I put it on my spoon.
You'll be the one to put it.
Like this? Okay.
Just come. Don't forget, if anything happens, you only step for 2 hours. Are you sure?
Apparently, one of their rules is if the snake drops from your hands, you would have to be in the temple for 2 hours.
No.
You'd be there for 2 hours because you would have to do some rituals to cleanse yourself for dropping their python. Now, I really wanted to do it, and because I'm not an adventurous person, in fact, I'm terrified of so many things, but I wanted to prove to myself that I could do something adventurous for once in my life, and that's literally why I did this. I was looking at the snake to make sure it doesn't, come close to me, and at the same time, I just wanted pretty pictures. After taking pictures with the snake, holding it, it was time for the neck lift, and I also did the neck part, and I was so excited. Next, there was the inner temple that had over 50 pythons just laying casually on the ground, and they told us to get closer. I'm like, no, I'm good over here. But at least I entered the temple. And to enter this temple, you have to take off your slippers. I entered and I just looked around and I was done. After this, we headed to our next tourist location, which is a museum, which is literally a walking distance from the Python of Temples. And if you know me, I love art, I love museums, so I was so excited to be here and look at all the art. And I'm just going to show you guys a few clips of what happened.
It's a contemporary museum and also houses constellations of art from different people from different parts of the world. Just like when we went to Palais de Guinée, they change their art every 6 months. So if you come here in the next 6 months, because they just recently changed this, you're going to see different arts again.
So all the art, where does it go? The previous ones?
So it goes back to their
and tradition through African colonist country. And at the same time, when he used those beds, is to form shapes, human beings, the person. And that part is when we take fabrics.
After our time at the museum, we decided to head over to a supermarket to buy some groceries, and along the way we drove past the longest graffiti wall in Africa. It was such a sight to behold. It's so beautiful, made up of different art paintings, and it was just so gorgeous to look at. Finally, we arrived at the supermarket. I think this is their biggest supermarket in Cotonou. I was so excited to find my favorite biscuits here. It's really scarce in Nigeria, and so I was happy to buy it. Also, I got some croissants and some other groceries and drinks and stuff that we needed. After buying everything that we wanted, we headed home to go rest. The next day, we headed to the art market, but our tour guide decided to bring us to this gorgeous apartment first. It was such a beautiful place and we're supposed to stay here, but it was fully booked. So she brought us here just to see, you know, what it looks like, and my oh my, it was gorgeous. I absolutely loved how serene it looked. And that tap reminded me of Morocco. So we just took pictures, we got some tea, and I definitely will come back here on my next visit to Benin Republic. So most of the shops were closed because it was a Sunday that we came, but I was very determined to buy something because I love to buy souvenirs from every country that I visit.
Thank you. So cute. Bonjour. Salut. Salut, ça combien?
This one, 1.5.
1.5.
This one.
Wait, let me see. Hold the two of them. Let me see. Thank you.
This is 3,000 the price. But
I finally found something that I loved, and so I bought this. I bought this because I bought a male figurine in Zanzibar and I felt he needed a wife, so I bought a female figurine in Benin to compliment him. We kept walking around because I was looking to buy something else, and then I stumbled on this store that makes customized gold-plated bracelets, and so I told them my name and they inscribed it on one for me, and I was so excited because I absolutely loved customized things.
I'm unavailable, they know they see me. 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 I'm sorry for who won't be my matter, sorry. I'm only human, so make nobody para. I'm say I carry woman, say na man made for carry.
For our final adventure on the final day, we visited Babsdock. Now, Babsdock is definitely one of the places you want to ensure you visit if you ever find yourself in Benin Republic. It's an island that consists of an European-styled restaurant, a charming lake house, and you have to use a boat to get there. So we waited for a bit and our boat arrived and we made our way. We arrived and we saw some people kayaking, so it's a really nice spot for relaxation, kayaking. You can see some donkeys there, and I think it's overall just a really nice spot for relaxation. Such a small time touching and interacting with the animals. They were so cute and so friendly. This particular little donkey kept bringing its little head to me so I could touch it, and even the big one came to me at some point. I had a swell time just being there. And then we also saw this place, and the pink flowers matched my dress, so I did some videos and pictures, of course. Finally, we ordered some food, and the food was very flavorful and nice. We had such a swell time, and after this, it was finally time to head back to land.
I'm only human, so make nobody para. Say I carry woman, say now I'm here for carry, fuck all the rumors. And he said when I talk, say every man stop. You know, it can walk, it is not I got talk,
For our very final adventure, we stopped at this Italian ice cream spot to get some gelato and some cookies, and guys, it was so yummy. I'm going to leave you guys now to watch how we spent our last few hours in Benin, because from here we headed back to Lagos.
Sorry for who my matter, sorry. I'm only human, so make nobody para. I'm say I carry woman, say now I'm here for carry, fuck all the locals. Somebody said when I talk, say every man stop. You know, they can walk, it is not I'm unavailable, and no deceive. I'm unavailable, and no deceive. I'm unavailable, and no deceive. I'm unavailable, and no deceive.